I am going to open up my kit lens, which is a 24 to 120. When I open the lens, there's a lot of fungus inside. I have a couple of tools like this tweezer for cleaning the lens. I do not know if it is safe, but it cleans the hand. A lens cleaner. Minimalistic. Let's see how it goes. So I love this lens. Two of my favorite pictures that I took were with this lens, wide angle. Look at this, it's so dirty inside this fungus. Look at that. There it is. See? Alrighty, I have a box cutter here. Let's not try this at home. Trying not to cut it. Mind you, I have only watched 2 YouTube videos before I'm attempting to do this on my own. So if you have a lens which is dirty, I'd recommend you don't do it on your own. I'm staying in Silchar. The last time I gave a lens for cleaning, they sent it to Kolkata. And right now I do not want to spend much. It's loosened a bit. Also mention again, these are not high-end tools. It's a screwdriver. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Quite scary. Quite scary. Now, I don't know if you can see, but there is fungus here. But most of it is... No, I'm not prepared for this. Well, well, well. Well, one thing I know, it's beautifully made. But I see that the fungus is not in this one. Look at that. I am going to use this and a bit of sanitizer. Okay, update. I tried my best to clean it from the front side opening up, but the fungus seems to be on this side. So what I'm gonna do is, I was really not prepared for this. I am going to clean all the glasses which are in my axis. Let's clean this one. Also, I'm not wearing any gloves, which is not recommended. It is not recommended. Whatever I'm doing here is not recommended, just for the record. Rotation. Yep, sticks. Look at this. This is not recommended. I've already said it. It's not recommended. And I'm gonna use my finger. At least I'm sure of the fungus being removed here. Well, folks, I think I did my best. This element is clean. We have opened this one, cleaned it from both sides, and we have opened this one first and cleaned it from both sides. Now we're gonna put them back as they were. Okay. Screw them back clockwise. This is how I remember how to open and close any circular object. In my mind, I always say clockwise to close. So that settles it for me. So clockwise to close and the opposite for opening. So right now we're rotating clockwise. Right, our last rub. Here we go. Okay. Managed to put them back together. This is the last bit. Well, it's working manually. I do not know if it's gonna work on the camera. Let's check it out. So I got this lens with my D850. This 50mm is my favorite, by the way. Well, good news, guys. The autofocus is working. Yep. But we have a small problem. Managed to clean 2 elements from the front side, but there is still fungus in the back. It's this lens. there's a lot of screws, small size here, smaller here, and smallest here, which I do not have the capability, I don't have the tools, and frankly I do not have the courage to open the back. So I guess it was a success. We've managed to open it, clean 2 elements from the front, and managed to put them back together. Yeah, again, don't try this. Watching my video, do not try this, because I was not sure if I was going to be able to do this just by watching a YouTube video. Luckily it worked with a box cutter, a tweezer, a screwdriver, and Savlon hand sanitizer. Can you believe that? Thank you.